Hi guys, hello, I hope you're doing well. On this video, I'm going to show you how to change the password on the meetings on Zoom. It's supposed to be a similar method if you are using the Android or iOS. So here I open my Zoom on Android, and then if you want to change your meeting passcode, you have to stop your meeting. So you can't change the password while the meeting is still going. So here I will try to open my own meetings. This is my own room, and then here you can see there is an option of edit. Click that edit, and then here you can see this is the passcode you can change. So I will change that the passcode. For example, I want to change the passcode into passcode 123. Okay, it's unable to put 3 because there is a limit of character in passcode Zoom meeting. After that, you can click save, and then that's it. Now you can start your own meeting with the new passcode. Okay, that's it, this tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it is, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.